Money will chase you. You will become a magnet for money if you follow the 6 spiritual laws that I'm about to share in this video. If you watch this video all the way to the end and focus your attention here with me now, you will attract wealth so fast that it feels illegal. My name is Gareth. Welcome to my channel. I'm a manifestation guide and a subconscious reprogramming expert. I have been mentored by world-famous spiritual masters, and I've helped hundreds of people to manifest massive success and abundance into their lives. If you'd like to see more, there's a link in the description, and you can see testimonials and videos from hundreds of people who have massively transformed their lives through my help, and you can book a call there if it resonates. We're going to dive into this. When I fully understood the 6 laws that I'm about to share in this video, my whole life completely transformed, and I have taught this to countless people. If you stay focused, focus your attention, and resist the urge to scroll away, you will learn the ultimate secrets to unlock massive wealth, prosperity, and abundance into your life, and you deserve it because it's your birthright. There's 50 trillion cells inside your body, working together in perfect homeostasis. Look outside, look at the trees, the leaves, look at the houses in your street. They're worth millions. The only block is your thinking. I want you to imagine standing in a lake and trying to catch a fish. What happens when you put your hands in a lake and move it towards the fish? The fish moves away from you so fast that you won't even see it move. Money is the same. But what happens when you're relaxed and calm and you stay still? That fish will come up to inspect you. You become attractive when you're detached and you let go of resistance. I'm going to teach you how. One of the main things that people miss when it comes to manifestation is the state of your nervous system. Money loves calm. Money doesn't come to frantic energy. Money comes to certainty. Relaxed, calm, and certainty. When you stop chasing money and learn these 6 spiritual laws, money will chase you. I promise you from the deepest part of my soul that this is the truth when it comes to money. Stay focused and listen closely because this is from my heart. This is not a gimmick. This is not something that's going to give you a quick dopamine rush. This is the truth, the law of abundance. And when you dial this in, everything's going to change for you. The first thing I'm going to share and the most important fact of the ultimate truth of life is to work harder on your inner world than you do on your outer hustle. If you want to become a magnet for money, you need to work on yourself more than you ever work on anything outside of yourself. I tried so many things in my 20s. I tried so many hustles, so many businesses, so many ways to get a laptop lifestyle, and nothing would ever stick. And when I realized that it was nothing to do with what was outside of me and started working on myself and got a mentor, everything changed. The truth is, if you're on a 5, your business will be on a 5. If you're on a 5, your relationships will be on a 5. If you're on a 5, the amount of abundance you attract will be on a 5. And so many people get this wrong. So many people I meet get that fire in their soul they're going to work on a business. They're going to leave their 9-to-5 job. After a year, they've taken a few loans, nothing's working, and because their mindset fails, they go back to their old job. And there's a statistic that says 95% of new businesses fail. But the truth is, businesses don't fail. People fail. Success is 90% mindset and 10% strategy. When you understand this and go inside, if you want to get out, you've got to go in. And when you start working on you and realize the more love, care, and devotion you give to yourself, the more abundance you attract in your external world. Because life is a mirror. Life doesn't pay you for the hours that you put in. It pays you for the energy that you bring. Money is just energy. That's why it's called currency. And what you currently see in your bank account is a reflection of your inner state. Which leads me on to the second thing. Solve bigger problems. If you want to attract money and abundance into your life, then you need to solve bigger problems. Because money is a receipt for solving problems. The bigger the problem, the bigger the receipt. If you sell your time by the hour for doing low-level tasks, like filling out documents in a massive office in a huge database, where numbers and names just get lost in the matrix, then you will get paid the lowest wage. Somebody solving a household issue earns at one level. Somebody solving an industry issue earns on a whole nother level. Ask yourself, not how can I earn more, how can I impact more? Money doesn't come to survival. If you say, I just want enough to get by, you'll only ever have just enough to get by. So many people say, I don't want to be rich, but that's a limiting belief. It's not vulgar to have money. Jesus was abundant. God wants you to be abundant. The truth is, When you're abundant and you thrive and you can enjoy all the experiences of life, you're healthier. When you're not worrying about bills, you can eat organic. When people say they don't want much money and it's all about health, don't you think eating organic food is healthy? When people say they don't want to be rich, it's just a limiting belief because deep down they don't believe they are worthy. So drop that from your vocabulary right away. If I said to you, there's a big field full of money, go and get a rake and scrape up the money, would you just take enough to pay your bills? Ask yourself this question. Or would you fill up a giant truck and take it and share it with all the people that you love most? And the truth is, when you make more money, you can help more people because you can give to charity, you can eat well, you can show up as the best, calmest, most relaxed version of yourself because you are total abundance, and total abundance is your birthright. If you are not receiving the amount of money that you desire, understand you are absolute infinite abundance having a temporary experience of lack. Comment below, I am total abundance if you are ready for cash to flow into your life right now. Point number 3 is to master discipline, because the truth of manifestation is, if you can't discipline yourself, how can you expect to discipline your reality? If you are not experiencing the abundance that you want in your life, but you drink wine every night and wake up with a hangover, and you know that wine is your bad habit, then until you stop drinking that wine, until you can discipline yourself enough, your vibration will always be at a low point of self-discipline. It doesn't even matter about the wine. It's the fact that you know you shouldn't be doing it. Every time you let yourself down, your brain keeps score, and this activates your sympathetic nervous system, which keeps you in fight or flight. And when you seize up and you go into fight or flight, which is survival mode, you cut off your connection to the quantum field, and synchronicities that align with abundance will stop showing up for you. When you do what you know needs to be done, things really start showing up in your life. If I get up every day looking for people to help, looking for people to serve, looking for ways to bring my greatest version and live in discipline and look after myself and look after the people around me, then it's absolutely no surprise to me every time that money and abundance shows up, which it always does. So give yourself the love you deserve and start being the best version of yourself today. Point number 4 is to multiply your value through service. If you want to attract massive wealth and abundance into your life, then understand this fact: the greatest good to the highest number. If you make it all about you, the universe won't deliver the abundance that you need. When you come with a bigger idea, the universe will supply you with everything that you need. When I flipped my energy from what I could get to what I could give, everything transformed for me. When I set the intention to help millions of people and to use my God-given talents, and I said, I'm so sorry for blocking the natural abundance that you bless me with. I do not live in fear because I know you are here. It says over 100 times in the Bible, thou shalt not fear. And there's a powerful point I want to share here, the light bulb theory. Think about the plug socket in your house. If you plug in a small nightlight, it will use just the energy it needs to light that small nightlight. But you can plug a super powerful floodlight into that same plug socket. Think about the plug socket as the infinite stream of consciousness. You can plug any wonderful idea, as big or small as you want, into that socket, and everything you need will be supplied. If you go to the builder's merchant and you need to fix a door, you might get a screwdriver. But if you go to the builder's merchant and you want to build a mansion, you will get all the materials you need, and the universe is the same. This is called manifesting for the universe. I wake up every single day thinking, who needs my help? Who can I help here? Because abundance is a byproduct of service. Abundance is the echo of the value that you create. Serve 5 people and get a whisper. Serve 5,000 people and you'll get a roar. Always give more than you're paid for. Become non-negotiable in the way that you serve. The world needs more people like you to step into your highest version. And if you've watched this far, you're ready for this journey right now. And I'm your biggest fan. Point number 5 is to treat your financial situation like a loving relationship. If you want to become a magnet for massive abundance, success, wealth, and prosperity, start thinking of your relationship to money like a loving relationship with a partner. What happens when you're clingy in a relationship? Your partner will move away. If you hold on to money so tightly and you don't invest in yourself, it will squeeze out of your hand like a bar of soap. If you keep checking your partner's phone, it's a sign of paranoia and a lack of trust. If you're checking your bank account every 5 minutes, it's exactly the same thing with money, because money is energy. The most important thing I can tell you is don't spend all your money when it comes to payday. If every time you get paid, you instantly go out and start spending frivolously, you signal to the universe that you're in a massive vibration of lack. If you throw money on the floor, you signal to the universe that you are not ready for big amounts of money. Start treating money with the respect that you would treat your partner. Abundance flows across bridges built on trust. Build the bridge and the blessings will cross. Comment below, I respect my relationship with money, to start the flow of blessings into your life. The final thing that I want to share, and this is so powerful, ride the wave of fortune. If you want to see massive abundance pour into your life, start riding the wave of fortune. Humans think 6 times more negative thoughts than they do positive ones. If you suddenly manifest £1,000 or $1,000, you'll feel good about that for just one day and then forget it so quickly. But if you've got some random bill that shows up, you will worry about that bill every day until it's paid. Humans scan for danger. We forget the good things that happen and we focus on the bad. And I always say, don't look at the fly that lands on the beautiful picture. You can think back to an amazing holiday, an amazing thing that you manifested, something special that happened in your life. You can reflect on that. You can even look at pictures of an old holiday where you had an amazing time and recreate those feeling states. This is called riding the wave of fortune. And here's a powerful trick that you can use. This is something I teach all of my clients, and this is how you truly reprogram the subconscious mind to attract massive wealth into your life. Every single day, I start the day with a pad and a pen. I make up a name for every day. Monday, it could be Miracle Manifestation Mondays. Wednesday, Wonderful Wednesday. Friday, Fantastic Fridays. Underneath, I write, Today I manifested, and I write every good thing that I manifested in my life. At the end of the week, I read through it all and I get deeply emotionally involved in every wonderful thing that happened so that it starts to overlap into your life. This is called riding the wave of fortune. If you do this for 30 days, you will reprogram your subconscious mind for massive success and abundance and prime the reticular activating system. The reticular activating system, or the RAS, is a part of your brain that filters out more things that match your predominant thoughts. The universe is walking around with a huge bag of blessings, but if you're not grateful, if you don't see the blessings, it'll stop blessing you. It's like when a child comes into a room and does a funny dance. If you ignore the child, it won't do the dance again. If you pay the child attention, it will do it again. The universe is the same. If you start showing gratitude for your bills and you start riding the wave of fortune, you start really remembering all the good things that you received and live in this high vibration, the universe will really start showing off. I promise you. So just to wrap this up, don't ask yourself, how can I make more money? Ask yourself, how can I become the person that abundance feels truly safe with? Abundance flows to identity. Protect your energy, choose responsibility, and take radical action on your future. Don't seek to impress, seek to make an impact. Money is only paper. You are the real asset. If you start to live by these 6 laws, you will find that you don't chase money anymore. Money chases you. If you really want to start the flow of money, I'm going to link one of my old videos up here that's had a massive impact and helped a lot of people to manifest massive abundance in their lives. I hope you enjoyed that as much as me. Thank you for spending your wonderful time with me. Please hit like, hit subscribe, and comment. I'm starting the flow of massive abundance into my life right now. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.